Ever heard of bloodthirsty night creatures? These aren't just the stuff of legends. In fact, vampire bats are real, and their nightly escapades are downright fascinating. So, here's a look into how they rely on a unique anticoagulant called Draculin, which allows them to drink blood delicately without the host feeling a thing. But there's more to this eerie ability than meets the eye. As they silently glide through the darkness, they actually help maintain the balance in livestock and wildlife populations. Yet, the story doesn't end there. In an unexpected twist, this blood sipping turns out to be vital, revealing the surprising harmony between predator and prey, and leaving us pondering nature's mysteries.